Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming dimensions and roof slope so vents sit where air actually moves. Once measured, mark studs and utilities. You do not want surprises mid-cut. With safety gear on, drill pilot holes and cut the opening for a 4 vent, following marked center lines. Make sure to check for wiring inside walls as you cut. Once the hole is clean, test fit the vent hood and adjust the cut as needed before proceeding to flashing and sealing. You set the vent into the opening and hold it flush while you drive corrosion-resistant screws into framing. Do not over-tighten. Once the vent is secured, install metal flashing under the shingles above and over the top edge, then press lower flashing under siding or skirt to shed water. Apply a continuous bead of polyurethane caulk around the vent flange and under screw heads to waterproof. Make sure to smooth seals and check that shingles still shed water freely. Then you finish by insulating any remaining gaps with foam backer and sealing with caulk so you avoid drafts that bypass the vent. Once cured, test airflow with a smoke stick or small anemometer. You want steady exchange indicating balance. If you detect water staining or leaks, act quickly. Remove trim, reseal flashing laps, and red-iron fasteners while checking shingle overlap. If persistent, check roof slope and vent height. Insufficient headroom or blocked soffits commonly cause poor performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.